Have you ever wondered how to overcome the challenges of warehouse management? How to increase order picking efficiency and boost worker-driven productivity? How to reduce travel time and minimize human error to achieve higher customer satisfaction and an improved return on investment? Today, we're going to break down the 6 steps to increased operational efficiency in a warehouse. Firstly, ensuring scanning accuracy and quality is paramount. An integrated hardware and software scanning solution like the Conquer BG2 rugged wearable barcode scanner can enhance barcode scanning readability and accuracy. It's a great way to streamline operations, enhance productivity, and minimize errors in warehouse operations. Secondly, improving mobile device management can significantly increase efficiency. Stay on top of picking analytics, device tracking, and prevention of scanner misplacement. The Conquer SW9 rugged smartwatch is a great tool for this, providing critical device data in real time. Thirdly, optimizing the process and layout of your warehouse is essential. By leveraging additional data, such as real-time inventory updates and performance metrics, you can gain a deeper understanding of the operations dynamics, making informed decisions, and optimizing overall performance. The 4th step is increasing worker health and safety. Implementing process-specific settings can minimize the occurrence of incorrect scans, which can lead to potential risks and hazards. This proactive approach ensures a safer and healthier working environment for all employees. Next, augmenting worker guidance and workflows is essential. State-of-the-art devices like the Conquer's wearable glove scanners combine companion devices like the Conquer WC4 provide seamless access to on-the-go information. These tools streamline the way information is accessed and used, leading to a new level of efficiency and productivity in your work environment. And finally, the 6th step involves enhancing employee satisfaction and retention. Harness the transformative power of advanced scanning technology to streamline workflow processes, improve accuracy, and heighten efficiency. We have explored the 6 steps to boost order picking efficiency in warehouse management and elevate worker-driven productivity. Discovered the benefits of reducing travel time and minimizing human error. It can result in heightened customer satisfaction. Now, speak to Conquer to find out how to improve your total cost of ownership and increase operational efficiency for a better ROI. By addressing these areas, you can overcome the challenges of warehouse management and pave the way for a more efficient, productive, and successful operation.